Hey, have you ever thought about what it takes to run a donut shop?
Oh, all the
It's
time.
more than just frying dough, right?
Absolutely. The equipment behind the scenes is like the unsung hero of every delicious donut.
Exactly. I was looking into it, and the variety of equipment is mind-blowing. There's the donut depositor, proofer, fryer, and
Yeah.
each plays such a crucial role.
Wait. Tell me more about the donut depositor. What's so special about it?
Well, think of the depositor as the heartbeat of the operation.
Right.
It consistently dispenses batter into the fryer, ensuring each donut is the perfect size. There are two common types: cake donut depositors and raised donut depositors.
So one's for cake donuts and the other's for yeast-raised donuts?
Exactly. And they use plungers and cylinders that must match in size. If they don't, it's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole.
Haha, got it. Consistency is key in donut making.
Absolutely. Then you've got the proofer, which is essential for yeast-raised donuts.
Oh,
It
okay.
provides the ideal temperature and humidity for the dough to rise perfectly.
Kind of like a cozy incubator for dough.
Exactly. Some proofers even have Dutch doors.
Really?
They're split doors that help maintain the internal environment better when accessing the dough.
That's clever. So you don't lose all the heat and humidity when you need to check on things.
Precisely. And then there's the fryer, the heart of the kitchen.
Yep.
But it's not just about size. You have to consider the power source and shortening capacity too.
Right, you wouldn't use a propane fryer if you only have natural gas lines.
Exactly. And thermostat-controlled heat is crucial.
Yeah.
It keeps the oil at a consistent temperature, so every donut is cooked evenly.
Consistency again. I see a pattern here.
Definitely. And don't forget the drain tray on the fryer.
Oh,
It
what's
collects
that for?
excess oil from the donuts and helps keep the kitchen clean.
Plus, less greasy donuts are always a win.
Absolutely. And safety is a big deal too. Proper ventilation and fire suppression are essential due to the fire hazard of hot oil. It's not
Right.
something to overlook.
Safety first. So what about the donut mixes? Are there different types?
Yes, there are cake donut mixes and yeast-raised mixes. You choose one over the other depending on the type of donut you're making.
So cake mix for denser donuts and yeast mix for lighter ones?
Exactly right. And speaking of equipment, a mounting bracket is crucial when attaching a depositor to a fryer.
Why is that so important?
It ensures the depositor is securely attached, allowing for precise dough placement.
Ah, I see.
It also lets you configure the setup based on your space.
Makes sense. You know, all this equipment sounds expensive.
It can be, but investing in the right tools is essential for quality and efficiency. Plus,
Yeah.
it pays off in the long run.
That's true. Have you heard of the Belshaw 616B cut and fry system?
Oh yeah, it's a compact system that combines a fryer with a depositor. Great
Exactly.
for smaller operations or startups.
But do you think it can handle high demand?
Well, for large-scale production, you might need something bigger like the Belshaw 624 fryer.
Right.
It can produce 100 dozen donuts per hour.
Wow, that's a lot of donuts.
It sure is. But again, it depends on your business needs.
Yeah,
Starting small and scaling up is often a good strategy.
agreed. And with all this talk, I'm starting to think about opening a donut shop myself.
Haha, you'd be great at it. Just remember, having the right equipment makes all the difference.
Definitely.
It's like having the right instruments in an orchestra.
Exactly. Everything works in harmony to create something wonderful.
Well said. So, ready to make some donuts?
Absolutely.
Let's get frying.